Hello everyone! Today, it's time to draw the charming and handsome Jin from BTS. First, let me show you how to draw the eyes. The key here is capturing his sweet, smiling eyes. You know how his under eye area gets all cute and round when he smiles? To highlight that, draw the line just under the dark pupils with a gentle, soft curve. Next, let's draw his full, handsome eyebrows. Perfect. Now it's time to shape the face outline. The face shape really sets the whole mood of the character, so I always get a little nervous here, but don't worry. Be confident and let's draw it together. Great job! Next, let's add his ears. Now, let's work on his hairstyle. We'll make his bangs fall down naturally. Perfect! Now it's time to draw the upper body. I used Jin's iconic outfit from the DNA music video as a reference. Remember that bright yellow t-shirt with yellow written in red letters? I can't wait to color it yellow later. Next, let's draw his jeans. How about we draw his right hand tucked casually into his pocket and his left hand hanging down naturally? Sounds good! Let's draw him wearing classic white sneakers, complete with shoelaces. Adding a few subtle details to the jeans makes it look even better. And look at that, our Jin is officially complete. How did your Jin turn out? If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!